Welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video I'm going to give an example of how to split first and last names with our student list using find and replace and something called a wildcard or the asterisk. So for our first step is we will highlight column D that has both our first and last name in it. Then we'll use CTRL V and paste it into the first column and the last column. Now we'll highlight our first column, hit CTRL F, and this brings up a pop-up box that gives us the find option and the replace option. We click on replace, and in the find what input, we want to type in a space and an asterisk. And I'll explain at the end of the video why that works. We leave the replace with empty and hit replace all. Hit OK, and you'll see that all of our first names are there. Highlight the last name, erase the find what, and this time we put asterisk space, hit replace all, and now we get only our last names. Now the reason why this method works is because for the first name column, we only want the first name and we want to get rid of everything from the space on. And instead of having to type space Smith, space Jones, whatever the last name may be, we can tell Excel to search for anything. And to search for anything, whether it be one number, one letter, a whole series of letters, is we use the asterisk. It's called the wildcard. And so that's why the space asterisk is saying Excel delete everything from the space on and replace it with blank, nothing. And for the last name column, the inverse is true. We want to keep everything after the space. So that's why we tell Excel, search for the asterisk and the space, replace it with blank, and hitting replace all, that will leave us with just the last name. Again, that's using the find and replace and the asterisk wildcard. In another video, I'll explain how to go about using it if there is a middle name in the student list. That'll be the next video. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe and follow me for more tutorials coming soon. Thanks.